Dapple Laundry Detergent, fragrance-free, 50 by Dapple is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper laundry detergent products. Dapple 2X fragrance-free baby laundry detergent, 50 Oz 32 load. Dapple fragrance-free baby laundry detergent is made with ultra-mild ingredients, and perfect for newborns, toddlers, and kids with eczema. Dapple's baby-safe formula is hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, and contains no color brighteners or fabric softeners. Dapple fragrance-free baby laundry detergent works wonders on spit-up stains, and all other baby messes. The new and improved formula is specifically formulated for use on cloth diapers. 2X, great with non-heat washing machines too. All natural and baby-safe. Specially formulated to work on cloth diapers. 2X. 32 load, made without SLS, artificial fragrances, dyes, parabens, phthalates, 1,4-dioxane, chlorine, formaldehyde, optical brighteners, and alcohol.